Hello, Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to have a flip through of this journal that I've created using my Blue Floral digital kit. Now I started this last month and I've just finished it, so I thought I'd show it to you. Let me grab my ruler. I should have got that before. It is about 6 3/4 inches by about 9 1/4 inches, and it is about 2.5 inches at its widest point at this stage. I have added some paper beads and some metal beads and glass beads to the side for dangles. The cover is made of, I don't know if you can see there, there's a sheet of 300 GSM cardstock in there. Then there is a fabric on the inside and a fabric on the outside, and then the lace. And it is stitched all the way around. It has these metal corners on all 4 corners of the cover. What else do I need to tell you about the outside? It's tied closed with some sari silk that wraps around and comes out the side. So there we go. Pretty plain front. I've just put a piece of the pattern paper that's mounted onto a piece of cardstock, so it's got some weight to it. We've got a little clear fronted window there with a little tag in it. Okay, now there are 3 signatures in here, and I think each signature has 10 pages in it. I'm not quite sure actually, let me count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets, so that's 40 pages, so that's 120 pages altogether. Now I created this using my Blue Floral digital kit, so everything in here that is not plain comes from that kit. So these pages are just a coffee dyed, tea dyed page, so they're not in the kit, but all the pattern papers are. Right, let's have a look at the inside cover. I've added a fabric pocket with an envelope. And then to decorate what's going on there? Oh, that's right. There's a piece of paper behind that fabric just to give it some substance. So that goes in there, and then I've got a little tuck down here that holds these 2 little tickets. Or this one's a ticket and this one's a little envelope, but it's sealed closed. So it's decorative. Let me have a page. These background pages are not in the kit. They're just some digitals that I had. Now this one flips out, and in here we've got a pocket, and in the pocket we've got a large frame with a butterfly and a journaling tag. You might notice that everything in here has been stitched around, or most things in here have been stitched around. Sometimes I went ahead and did something and then attached it to the page before I remembered. I have done some stenciling throughout the journal on some of the blank pages, but you can still write over that. That's not going to stop that. And several of the pages have got just a little bit of something along the bottom on the plain pages. This one's just got a little strip of paper and a label. Page kit. This is the flip out, and in here I have put a postcard with a bit of lace on it to make it easy to pull it out. So that flips out. We have a little pocket here. It's got a little tag in that. Then over here, this is of course the flap of the envelope turned into a side tuck. We have a little booklet there. See, I've got a notebook here. Might pop that in there. So that notebook's got some pages in it. So I'm going to pop that in there. This is a bit of stamping, using some blue ink and a stamp. Page from the kit. Some more stamping. Now this is it's a pocket in the side here, which has got a journaling card in it. And then pocket, and on top of the pocket we have a little notepad. Now down here I've got a tab that keeps the notepad shut, so that pulls out of there. And then under here we've just got some notes. So that's kept shut by just popping that up there like that. And we also have a pocket behind that with a tag in it. Might be easier if I just have a look what I'm doing here. Okay, a bit more stenciling. Another one of those little page border things that I was talking about before. This is the centre of the first signature. More stamping. You can see that I've printed on the background of that. Here we have a double side pocket. So it's got a little tassel on that, and that is a tag. Pulls out. So it's a double pocket, so that's one pocket there. And we've got another pocket here. It's got a little index card in it and an envelope. And that's decorated with one of those frames with a butterfly stamped up there. Some more stenciling, some more stamping. Here we have a large pocket with a large journaling card in that. Stamping. Here we have a pocket. Well, in point of actual fact, it's an envelope. So you can see that's an envelope there. But I've made it as a pocket. So we can put a tag in the pocket behind there. And I've got another postcard, a little ticket, and a little tag. And on the front here we have an opening where you can write as well. So that's the first signature. Second signature, I've got a large specimen slide here, and I have put a dried flower in behind the glass or the acetate there, just decorated with a label and a bit of calico. And here we have a index card for journaling on. More stenciling. Now this is an around the page embellishment that I've just attached with a paper clip. So in this side we have a pocket, and in the pocket I've put a couple of index cards. Then when we turn over we've got another pocket with another index card in it and a piece of writing paper. Oh, that's a little index pocket, and that was in there like so, just so you've got something in there. That goes back in there, and they are attached. I'll my paper clip. All right there. Okay. A pocket here. Here I've used some faux washi tape that I created using clear sellotape and alcohol inks. I have a little ticket in the pocket here and a coin envelope. Stenciling. Here we have a belly band. It's got a ticket and an envelope in it. Once again, I've used a frame with the acetate and I've just put one of the butterflies on top of the frame. That's the centre spread for the second signature. Here we have one of those page embellishments across the bottom of an envelope here that I've turned into a pocket, and I've just added a tag with a wax seal. Stenciling. Here we have a double pocket. Once again, I've used some of the faux washi, some muslin or no cheesecloth there, a ticket to embellish, a large tag to go into the back pocket, another tag and another little envelope in the front pockets. Stamping. Page embellishment, and I've added some Wink of Stella glitter pen to that butterfly. Here we've just got, I've got a butterfly up there, and I've just got a wrap around here that holds a journaling fold pocket, and I've got this little booklet, a little folio. I might just pop that in there like that so it's obvious that it's there. And this paper of course comes off of here, opens out, and you can write on that. And that just will go back in there like so. And they're attached with a paper clip. And that's the end of signature 2. Signature 3. And here we have a belly band. Is it just a belly band? No, it's a double belly band. So we've got, that's the one belly band, 2 belly bands, decorated with some of the little envelopes. And I've got a tag behind the smaller envelope, like so. And then I've got a large pocket here that I've embellished with a ticket and a large butterfly, and that just sits in behind that larger belly band. You'll notice that I have left all of the strings hanging. I've made this for a friend, so if she doesn't like the strings hanging, she can always cut them off. Stamping. Stenciling. We have a pocket with another large file folder pocket inside of it. So they're ideal for putting photos and things like that in. The centre of our final signature. Stamping and stenciling all the way through. Here we have a pocket with a large journaling card and a little folio file. And this tag is actually a pocket, and these two little tickets come out. Stenciling, more stenciling. I put the page embellishment up the top this time, once again using some of that washi tape that I made. Here we have a side pocket. I've decorated that with a tag. Now that opens out. And I've put glossy accents over the butterfly. And here we have a file folder card, journaling cards, two of those. And at the back, once again, I've got the fabric pocket that has got the paper behind it. I've got a large journaling card behind that. And this is a little tuck spot with a couple of little tickets and tag in there. And that's our back cover. So that's my journal. I'm going to post this off to my friend. She'll be surprised because she doesn't know I'm making it. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have and you're not already a subscriber, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, one of those great things. Okay, so until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.